Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our wheelchair mobility accessible Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a 2017, and I'll get right to the conversion. This is a rear entry, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. Rear hatch opens manually. It's got, I can operate this entire conversion with just 2 fingers. Got to release the latch there, flip it over. It's got a handle on the driver's side, handle on the passenger side. Same thing, and this conversion to style helps keep these ramps from rattling around. If you've ever been in an older mobility van, you know they kind of rattle. This is a real good design. Look here, folks, 1 finger. I can take this to the ground. I tell our customers if you can lift a gallon of milk up off the ground with this conversion, you should be able to operate this ramp with ease. The ramp is 34 inches wide, just over 56 inches of room coming inside the van, 58 inches of room inside the van, just a little bit over headroom, 58 inches. This van is ADA compliant, so it means you can use it for a taxi cab, wheelchair, taxi service, or nursing home, anything like that. It's got a total of 8 tie downs, 2 in the rear, 4 in the middle, 2 all the way up front. This van is designed to hold up to 2 chairs at a time, or a gurney or stretcher. It's got that very important spare tire there. Headliner's in wonderful condition. You can see the rear air controls up there as well. Between this middle row of seats here, there's about 21 inches of room. A lot of times if you're just going to do one chair, the person's legs will sit in between them, the bottom will sit behind them. We can always remove one of these. We have more narrow seats we can put in here. We have seats that will fold up and flip out of the way. So let us know your needs. Let us know exactly what you're looking for, and we can help configure the van to meet your needs. Unfortunately, there's no one size fits all, but talk to us, tell us what you need. If you need any more measurements, let us know and we'll get them for you. The dash is in excellent condition. I don't see any signs of cracks or holes in the dash. It's got the steering wheel controls, so whether it's you driving or someone in your family or one of your employees, they can keep their eyes on the road. They can adjust the radio. It's got the voice controls, got the auxiliary port there for the MP3 player. Dual climate control. The driver can be 1 temperature, the passenger can be a 2nd temperature. You can even have a 3rd climate going on in the rear. So it's got cup holders galore, 2 there in the middle. It's got your plugs, got cup holders in both the doors there as well. So when you've got all your passengers secure, come back out, reverse the process. Look here, 1 finger. Pull it up, latch her down. The electric ramps and doors are nice. Boy, when they go wrong, they can be thousands, and I'm literally meaning thousands of dollars to replace. If you can get by with a manual ramp and door, I'm telling you what, this is the way to go. I'm going to do a walk around on this van. Got the rear tinted windows, give you privacy year round, keep you nice and cool in the summertime. It's got this neat alloy wheels on it, gives this van a little bit tougher look. These tires are brand new, all matching, and they are a Definity brand tire. So it doesn't sound like I don't recognize the name Definity real well. So a couple small touch-up scratches, small scratches we put in the fixed on the paint here. A couple small touch-up spaces. So folks, it's not a brand new van, but it's a very clean van. Certainly no major dents or scratches in it. Looks real sharp. These silver alloy wheels with this black tinted windows on this black van. I think it looks amazing. It's very nice, very good shape. So let me check out the interior. The rear seats look about brand new condition. These will fold down if you ever need them to. They'll fold down here. They will not. This is not stow and go. Carpets look great. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors going on in this van. It comes with 1 key. It's got the keyless entry. If you want us to get another key or keys made at on your dime, we'd be happy to. We get discounted rates from the locksmith. Much of the same on the driver's side, very clean, no signs of any smoke damage or burnt holes or anything like that. It's extremely clean. We put this plastic on here to protect the vans. If one of our mechanics jumps in it or a trucker shipping it out, we want the van to stay clean. And you can of course see the VIN number right there. We always show the VIN number of the vehicles we're selling. Current miles 46,331. When I go to turn the van on, turns on first time, every time. You can see all the dummy lights work. There's no check engine light, no ABS light, no airbag lights, none of those. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. idle smoothly. We've checked along the fender rails for any damage. We checked these over real close. We've checked underneath for water damage, no signs of any leaks. This engine seems to sound perfectly just like it should. As I crawl underneath, again, no signs of any damage, no signs of any abnormal rust, no signs of any water damage. And the reason I do this, folks, is not because I like laying on the ground when it's 35 degrees out. The reason I do this is so you know exactly what you're getting. I know there's a lot of people selling these vans in New York, New Jersey, even down along some of the coast where there's a lot of salt on the ground and salt in the air. Get yourself a video. I don't care who you buy from, if you're going to buy from sight unseen, or if you're unable to get under the van, tell them to get on their hands and knees, tell them to get on their back and make a video for you. If they won't get down and make a video for you, then who are you buying from? You know, what are they hiding? Buy from a company with a good reputation like Affordable Mobility Solutions. We've been in business 8 years. You're dealing with the owner, myself, Jeremiah. And I hope you see by these videos, we're doing our very, very honest best to show you exactly what you're getting with the van. So don't get burned thinking something's too good to be true. You know, do your due diligence, buy from a good company that goes the extra mile so you know exactly what you're getting. We've tested all the power mirrors, we've tested the power doors, we've tested the power locks, window there and back, window up front. This is not some van where it looks like it's a real good price and then you get there to look at it, it has a bunch of problems. We've tested the heat, the air, the radio, tested all that stuff. So let's get the van out on the highway. And of course you can't see the air conditioning and the heat, but we've tested it. The thing has a great heater, air works great. Let's get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on the highway so you can hear the engine run and the transmission shift. And whether you take advantage of our free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states or you come in and pick the van up, you know that once you get in this van, it's going to be roadworthy. So let me see if I can get up to about 70 miles an hour here. Got it right around about 68. I'm gonna back it down a little bit. So it's just 60 running through here, so I definitely don't want to tick it. As you can see, the steering wheel is straight, it's centered, it's not bouncing back and forth, the front end is tight. And folks, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans, whether it's an individual or a company. I want you to ask yourself, do the other guys, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Whether it's an individual, obviously they don't have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. When you buy from an individual, you're taking a big risk. If they sell you a lemon, if they don't provide the proper title work, there's really nothing you can do. When you buy from a dealer, we are governed by the state. If we do you wrong, if we don't provide a title, the state actually looks out for you as a consumer. So that's the advantage of buying from a dealer. If you're dealing with another dealer and they don't have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, be sure to ask them why. Ask them why they don't have an A+ rating. We also obviously get out and make videos so you know exactly what you're getting. We crawl around on the ground. If they don't have a video made, ask them why not. We have over 520 reviews on eBay. All of them are positive. Folks, that's 520 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. Reputation matters. You better believe that. Do your research. Now, as I come to the bottom of this ramp here, I'm going to give the van a hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking. No unusual vibration or brake noise. So is this a brand new van? Of course not. But I'm telling you what, it's not far from it. It's very clean, inside and out, runs and drives great. And I think if it's taken care of, this will make a great van, whether it be for your business or your family, for many years to come. So back to my point about comparing us. You know, when it comes to administrative fees, document fees, tag fees, be sure to ask your dealers, you know, do they have any hidden fees? That's not how I do business. I don't quote you one price, get you in the door, and then say, oh, by the way, there's $300 here and $400 here, and that's a shady way to do business. I'm not about that. So be sure to ask the other dealers, do they have any hidden fees? So if you ever want to come look at one of our vehicles, please always give me a call first. I know your time's valuable. I don't want to miss you. Call and make an appointment with us. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. You deal with the owner. Check us out 24 hours a day online at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. If there's ever any more videos you want to see or anything else you want to see about the van, feel free to give me a call. Don't be shy, let me know. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. We have financing available. We have free shipping like I mentioned. So as always, thank you for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.